Welcome to Eagle Falls, one of South Lake Tahoe's most breathtaking natural treasures. Nestled within Emerald Bay State Park, Eagle Falls cascades gracefully down rugged granite cliffs, surrounded by towering pines and sweeping alpine scenery. The rushing water creates a soothing soundtrack as it flows into the stunning Emerald Bay below, one of the most photographed spots in all of California. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of Eagle Falls up close with just a short, scenic hike, making it one of the most accessible waterfalls in the Tahoe region. Along the trail, panoramic views of snow-capped peaks and crystal-clear waters provide endless opportunities for unforgettable photos. Whether you visit in spring, when the falls are at their most powerful, or in summer and autumn, when the surrounding landscapes glow with seasonal colors, Eagle Falls promises an awe-inspiring experience. A perfect blend of serenity and adventure, Eagle Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's a window into the raw beauty of Lake Tahoe's wilderness. Don't forget your camera, because this is one sight you'll want to remember forever.